So you'll notice the glove box is off. You do not have to take the glove box off. This is just for video purposes so that you can see through here as I'm working from underneath, but you do not have to remove the glove box. What you do have to do though is take this carpet off with a trim tool, pop off the push clips. Okay, that's off. Pull that aside or down or out of your way. Let's disconnect this. There we go. Now you want to pull out on this tab here. Oh, how am I going to do this? Yeah, pull out and down. Oh, there we go. Pull out and down. But then there's another tab just like that on the back where you have to press back and pull down. There it is. Okay, so remember it went in with the red circuit board facing you. Here's your old blower motor resistor. Take the new one, again with the red circuit board facing you. Slide it up into place here. The good part is when you press it in, you don't have to pry on any tabs. It should just lock into place. There we go. Okay, let's reconnect it. Now you can test it out. Let's get this carpet back. Again, don't worry about the glove box. I took that off just for video purposes so you can see. There we go. That's one push clip. Put the second one through. All right, and I'm gonna go ahead and put on the glove box, but at this point, you're done.